Hey everyone, today my local Lowe's had a few things in stock Halloween related, so let's check them out. Alright, so they don't have much today, but they do have a few big animatronics.
Enjoy your own music, played by the spookiest DJ in the graveyard. Just pair your phone or device to DJ Webbs, and he will spin your...
Here is the 10.5-foot Scarecrow. He doesn't seem to be doing anything right now because the charming button doesn't really work. I actually did not think he would be as tall as he is in person, but yeah, he's ginormous. Here we have one that is probably my favorite of this year, 12-foot Immortal Nightwalker. Let's get him going. Little guys down here. You got very long demos. He's pretty cool, but sadly, like if you look on the box, he's supposed to have lights, and those aren't working, which is really annoying. And then there's this little ghost guy who's got a really long activation.